New tonight, law enforcement across the Bay Area says the opioid crisis is now growing. Just in the past 48 hours, the Pinellas County Sheriff says they've had at least 2 deaths related to fentanyl overdoses.
As ABC Action News reporter Julie Salamone reports tonight, law enforcement joined Senator Rick Scott today as the senator proposed new legislation to combat the crisis.
On Tuesday, Senator Rick Scott met with police chiefs and sheriffs from across the Bay Area to discuss the opioid epidemic and fentanyl crisis. Fentanyl is now the leading cause of death for Americans ages 18 to 45, according to the CDC.
To tell you the impact that it's having on the community is that since 2019, here in Pinellas County, about 1,300 people have died from opioid deaths.
Senator Scott announced proposed legislation that he says would improve the federal government's response to the opioid crisis.
Today, I'm announcing a new bill called the End Fentanyl Package Act.
The proposed legislation would do several things, including increasing grant opportunities for local law enforcement and elevate the director of the Office of National Drug Control Policy to a cabinet position in the White House.
Third, it's going to allow the Department of Justice to issue grants to law enforcement agencies and communities with high rates of drug overdoses to better trace criminals, train officers to identify overdoses, and upgrade essential systems for tracing drugs and processing samples in forensic laboratories.
The CEO of the Crisis Center of Tampa Bay reminds everyone help is available.
So for the month of July, we took 234 calls specific to opioids. Many of those individuals are struggling with a variety of other issues, not just their opioid addictions.
For more information on resources available and for the statewide substance abuse hotline, visit abcactionnews.com. Julie Salamone, ABC Action News.